I'm going to show you how easy it is to build apps now. So go to Xcode, create a new project, select app. I'm going to call this 10K steps. Save it to my projects. Open Apple Intelligence over here. And then say, can you create an app for me that tracks my steps? I want to reach a daily minimum limit of 10K steps every day. So I want this to be a habit tracker for just getting 10K steps. And it should link to my health data to see how many steps I actually walked. Send it off. It's starting to build the files for me. I am not touching code myself. It's continuing to write the code for me. It's also building the project for me. And I'm going to, okay, looks like we're almost ready to run it. I'm gonna go here and run the app. The build failed the first time. I asked it to retry it, so let's try it again. Okay, it seems to work. And then if I press that button, oh, I have to configure the app. So missing health data usage, description and app configuration. So let's do that really quick. So I go here quickly to signing in capabilities and click add capability. And we're going to add HealthKit. And then I'm not sure how to fill this, so I'm just going to take a screenshot and say how to fill this. Drag and drop it. And then I also need to update privacy. Okay, so for your current app, fill it like this. Health share usage description, add health record usage description, health share usage description. Okay, and then for the other ones, it says I can leave open. Also keep both options off. Clinical health records off. Okay, so we have that, and then quickly ensure that the privacy is also set. Go to the target, go to info, and here go to plus, and then privacy, health, share, usage, description. Oh, we already have this. Okay, cool. We don't need to add it. This will, that, great. Ensure entitlements file is linked. Xcode, build settings, code signing entitlements. Perfect. Let's try building this again. Allow steps, and then refresh the app again. Okay, we're connected. And then also, if I want to improve the UI, I can quickly go to Health app. Let's go to categories, health and fitness, and I find this interesting. Okay, and then I'll just show you a quick example. I can ask it, copy the UI, UX of this screenshot, but make it feminine and pink. Okay, it's done making the changes. So let's run the app again. Ta-da! This is pretty cool. This took less than 10 minutes. I think that's crazy. Anyway, go and play around with Xcode and connect it to an agent. You're gonna have an amazing time.